Welcome to Madison County 4-H's Wow Wednesday. Today we'll be learning about how to make cane syrup the old-fashioned way. So this is a sugar cane field. The farmer plants it in rows but doesn't actually plant the seeds. He actually plants the entire stalk. A mature stalk has nodes about every 6 inches, or little divisions, that produce the buds. The sugar cane will sprout from these buds. It takes about a year for the sugar cane to be ready for harvest. Did you know that sugar cane is actually a tropical perennial grass? That means it comes back every year, and it really likes hot, humid environments. The juice in the stalk is very high in amounts of sugar. The first step in making sugar cane is to strip the stalks of the leaves. Here he is using a stripping tool to remove the leaves. It's not an easy task. After all the leaves are removed, he uses a sharp machete to remove the tops from the stalks. The stalks are then cut down and taken to have the juice squeezed out. A tractor is used to turn the juicer machine, or the grind. The cane is fed between 2 rollers that squeeze all of the juice out. The juice runs into a tub, and the leftover stalks are disposed of. Long ago, farmers used a mule or a horse to turn the cane grind as they fed the cane into the juicer. After the juice is squeezed and out, it is pumped into a holding tank to be moved to the cooking kettle or the syrup kettle. This farmer has an ingenious way to do just that. So the big cooking pot or syrup kettle holds up to 60 gallons of cane juice. Here the juice is cooked or boiled for 3 to 3.5 hours to remove all of the water. As it cooks, someone removes any of the little pieces of stalk and other impurities from the juice, and that's called skimming. After the juice is cooked and all is left is the sugar, it is put into a tub and poured into bottles through a spigot. The bottles are sealed and must be allowed to cool. 60 gallons of juice usually only makes 6 gallons of syrup. So 54 gallons of water must be cooked out of the juice. That's a lot of work, but it's well worth the end product. Yummy stuff on some homemade biscuits. See you next time.